Today we're installing a 2-part concrete protection system. That all entails stabilizing everything underneath your concrete. So if there's any concrete you have that has dropped and created a trip hazard, we come out, we will stabilize any concrete as well as lift that up, fix it, and make it nice and flush again for you.
Once I arrived today, I spoke to Tyler about his concerns and any problem areas. We did a full project walkthrough, went throughout the entire property area and the surroundings, make sure I got everything in mind that would needed to be fixed.
A lot of the times it will be usually somebody has already previously tripped on a trip hazard we are fixing. Like just take today's job, for example. We came in and Danielle has already stepped and twisted her ankle on the first step to the house. But after today, I doubt that will ever happen again.
It's absolutely critical that people have their concrete checked, even when they're a newer home built. Unfortunately, over time, it only gets worse, and that can cause a lot of different complications.
I would definitely advise a homeowner to go ahead and call Ayers, especially since we give a free quote almost any time, especially after a new concrete install. If they struggle to tamp down any soil, that seems to be a big problem that we run into. Here at Ayers, we go the extra mile for our customers every time. I know not every contractor likes to do that, but to us, it's creating loyal customers. You know, if I am out here doing a proper job, doing my best possible work for you and getting the best possible results, you're going to notice that.
I think one of my favorite parts installing the PolyLevel 2-part system is really just hearing their concerns and being able to change that within half a day or so. And I pull them out and you can see it on their face. They kind of have to keep double checking to make sure they're not dreaming. It's a feeling that you really can't make up anywhere else.